So we are editing the video right now. This video, obviously. And I don't even care, honestly. And so in the video, it's gonna be going back and forth between Riley and I packing, like clips of it, because we weren't together packing.
Plus I took it out, but didn't matter.
And so it'll just be back and forth clips of us.
Because we're packing in 2 different places.
Yeah.
We didn't live together.
So if it's choppy a little, sorry.
It'll be good. Okay. So I leave in like 4 days. Grace and I leave, which is kind of soon. Yay, out of this country. So we have to start packing, which is the most exciting part. I hate packing. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. But we all gotta do it, don't we? So I have a pile of clothes here. And there's more, but you can't see them. That I have to fit into a backpack and figure out what to take for 8 months in like 2 seasons or like 3 seasons. Fall, winter, spring. That's the most important part. Screw fashion, am I right? Update. Still haven't started folding. Just laying here in my clothes. Okay, now I'm gonna start folding. Actually. I am so pumped. Not for this part, obviously. I think it'll be fairly painless though.
So today I'm packing for my trip to Europe, and I guess I'm just gonna show you what I'm packing. I have some stuff right here and some down there, and I just gotta get it all into a bag, and I'm doing laundry right now. So I guess I'll just show you everything when I do it.
Okay, so this is mi casa. Here are all the clothes. Kind of looks like a lot. How much one you want to bet they don't all fit in my backpack? Probably won't. Sweaters, flannels, dresses, pants.
Okay, now that I've folded some of it, this is not even all of it. I still have some in the laundry. I have this stuff I have to go through, just like this kind of stuff, shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, all of that. Oh, here's more clothes. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep doing that, and I guess I will just update you when I'm done.
You want to be in it?
Sure.
Okay, so we are about to stuff everything.
Hi, I'm Riley's dad.
Me and Peepaw are about to stuff all this in the backpack. Probably not all of it, because it probably won't fit. So we'll touch back when it's done for the first time, and then we'll unpack it and pack it again, and unpack and pack it again.
So right now I'm packing all of this stuff into this. Now I am going to pack up this stuff. I'm not taking all of it, but I'm gonna take some of it, and it's really messy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna pack up what I'm gonna take.
Okay, take 1. The sucker is packed full, and we still have more stuff to fit in here, so we're gonna have to take some stuff out and have less pants and stuff because we have that big toiletry bag, and yeah, so take 1.
Hey guys, so right now I'm putting all the clothes, all of these clothes, into this bag right here, and those and that right there. That is actually going into this bag, my carry-on bag. And yeah, I think that's all I need to do for now. I still have some small stuff I'm gonna have to pack up before I leave, but I thought I would show you what I'm doing right now. I'm not gonna show you me putting it in there because it's just gonna be super boring, but I will see you after. Okay, so I just put all of my clothes in here. They all fit, and I actually have a lot of room left. So I need to put that in there still, but I'm waiting until the morning that I leave because I still have to put like my toothbrush and some other things in there. And then I also have, my room's really messy, sorry, my makeup, but I have to put more makeup in there before I leave. And then I have a couple more things I think I have to put in there. But other than that, it's all pretty much packed and just kind of, you can't really see, let me see. It's kind of just packed in there and you can see how big it is. It is very big. So I'm gonna be carrying that around for 8 months. That'll be really fun.
Okay. This is my luggage. Here's my carry-on. This is the rest of my life necessities for 8 months. And, you know, I'm super pumped, but it is a little, I don't know, questionable whether or not I have everything because this isn't that much and whether or not it's going to be sufficient. But yeah, basically this is it, and we're going to be walking around with this on our backs and these on the front of us.